This video will talk us through the Buy Again feature. So from the home page, you can access the Buy Again feature from My Account. So if you select My Account here, there's a box here that says Buy Again. So if I select through there, in essence, this feature allows you to reorder items from DK Tools quickly and efficiently. By default, when you select the Buy Again button, you will be displayed here a list of all of the items that you have previously purchased from DK Tools. It will also tell you the last purchase date. You can sort the list in multiple ways. By default, it shows you the items that are most frequently purchased at the top of the list. Alternatively, you can sort the list alphabetically, either A to Z or Z to A, and also from the date that it was last purchased. So if I want to add some of these items to the basket, on the right hand side, I just update the quantity by highlighting and replacing. So let's say I want 6 of these, I want 12 of these, and I want 48 of these. I can update the quantities as I go through the list, and once I'm done with the list, I select at the bottom, Add Selections to the basket. This will add everything that you've just updated to your basket, and from there you can click through to the basket, and if you're ready, you can click here to check out. Alternatively, if you do want to carry on shopping, then you can continue to do so. Let's say here I want to add one more to the basket. Let's say that's an item I haven't bought from DK Tools before. I can then go back to the basket and go through the standard checkout process.